Hi guys, and welcome back to Friday, another unboxing. Now I've actually got two here, one's a Disney theme and one isn't, but because they've sent in separate packages I don't know which is which. So we're just going to open one today. This will be saved for probably the Wednesday video, but I do have a works one as well to do. And also a craft buddy as well, so we'll have to wait and see. But I'm going to open this one today, and this one feels like it's in a box. You can't bend it, so it feels like it's in a box or something. So we'll take a look at this and see what we got. Hopefully it's the Disney one. If I'm hopefully, oh, it's not in the box. Okay, which one is it? Is it going to be the Disney one? Yes, it's the Disney one. Oh yes. So can you guess what it might be? It's a 30 times 40. Fantastic. Oh yeah, man. I'm happy. Can you guess what it might be? So it's a 30 times 40. We've got different colours there. It's Disney related. Can you guess? It's our good friends Sully and Mike, yes, from Monsters Inc. I am really excited for this. So Amazon at the moment have got loads and loads of offers, and this was $3.99, and I saw it and I thought, oh, I've got to have that. So I've got a couple because they're so cheap at the moment. I've actually seen some Craft Buddy cards for £2.50 as well. It's insane. So they must be having some sort of Easter sale. So really good. So let's get into this. I can see there's been a lot of white colour block. Oh, this looks so cool. So these are our colours. We'll get to that in a minute. And as you can see, oh yeah, man, look at that. Okay, so I have noticed a little problem here. So yeah, so it's various blues and greens in colour. It's a 30 times 40. Lots of colour blocking around the edge, which is great. I'm still going to do it, but if you've noticed, Mike's face looks more detailed and Sully's looks a bit blurred in with his chest as well. So his face around there is not the best, but it's a little bit blurred in with the face. So I don't know how that's going to turn out, but because I love it so much, I'm still going to do it. It might correct itself, but as you can see, it's supposed to have a little bit of a chin there, but it's so blurred you can't really tell. But we'll still do it anyway. You know, I'm still going to do it, see how it turns out. I mean, hopefully when we get to that little blue bit, because there is a little blue bit in the mouth, it might settle itself out, but I just fell in love with that when I saw that. We've got the colour list down here, so we've got 23 colours. You got your number, your symbol, and the DMC code there, and then obviously you've got that down this side as well. So a really Disney one. This will go really nice with my Toy Story one as well. So let's take that over to one side, and we've got our drills. We've got our standard boat, as you can see. It's a standard boat there, really cool. And these look nice and presented very nicely. So let's take a look in here and see what we got. Okay. Oh yeah, these look nice. So this is, we've got loads of packs of this white, because obviously that's the most used colour in this, so we're going to have quite a lot of white in here. So we've got some whites, we've got the, sort of like a sandy colour, gorgeous emerald green there, or minty green, some blues, oh, is that Aurora Borealis? No, it looks like it, but it's got a little bit of a shine, that one. It's a little bit of a minty green there. I don't think I've worked with that colour before, that's nice. And sort of like various different bluey greens and all sorts there. Really lovely. Pea green, gorgeous. Oh wow. This is going to be a really lovely one. I'm a bit concerned about the chin, but I'm still going to do it. It's too nice to not. So, yes, that's going to be a really lovely one. And as I said, sometimes this is a bit temperamental, because sometimes they'll come with the bags and then sometimes they don't. So you never really know if you're going to get baggies. But as you know, I don't use any of this in here. I like to work with my standard sort of like, you know, my blue pens and sparkly pens and stuff. So I do like to work with a range of different pens. I've also got myself my pink sparkly one. I think if you're diamond painting, you need a decent pen. And I've also got my fish pen, so yeah, but overall really like that. So yeah, I hope you like that, and this will be part of my Disney theme, which I don't really know when it's going to be. It'll probably be some point next year now, because all the themes up to, mind you, I might do it in August, because all the themes up to July are all done, so like all scheduled and planned. So But yeah, I really like that, and I think it would just whiz away. This will give us a brilliant practice on multi-placing all down here as well. Really, really lovely. And can't wait to get into that. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want to get this, I will put the link in the description. I think that's a bit of a sticker, yeah. I will put the link in the description of the video. This is available via Amazon. I paid $3.99, but you know what Amazon is like. The prices do fluctuate on a daily basis. But yeah, while that was at $3.99, I had to secure that deal. But yeah, really, really happy with this. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on Wednesday for another unboxing. Bye, guys.